Mother Nature has so much to teach us. Now you can bring real-world science into your classroom using Budburst, a project from the Chicago Botanic Garden. Budburst is a nationwide community science program aimed at connecting people with nature and providing educational resources for learners of all ages. Budburst brings together scientists and members of the public to track changes in plants and pollinators throughout the seasons. Your students can participate in different Budburst research projects by monitoring any outdoor plant. For example, your students can track the timing of seasonal changes by recording when a plant flowers in the spring or when its leaves change colors in the fall. They could also document pollinator visitation to flowering plants or search for monarch butterfly eggs and caterpillars. By participating in these projects, students can learn about the impact of climate change on our environment and contribute to real scientific research. By using Budburst in your class, you can also explore a variety of topics, including seasonal change, ecosystem interactions, and study design. There are many benefits to bringing community science into your classroom. It provides the unique opportunity to participate in an authentic scientific process and thus develop many scientific skills outlined in national educational standards. By contributing to and exploring real-world datasets, students can learn that science is for everyone, including them. Students can also gain a better understanding of how the natural world works through close observation of real-world biological phenomena, creating more meaningful engagement with the materials and concepts covered in class. Budburst stands out among community science projects because it was designed specifically with educators in mind. Budburst research projects are designed to be flexible and accessible. Because students can submit data on any outdoor plant at any location, Budburst provides place-based climate change education and helps students connect with nature wherever they are. Participation requires no special equipment, and our website allows for easy student data collection, submission, and management in both English and Spanish. Our publicly available database is also accessible through our website, where you can search, filter, and download datasets from the National Budburst Database for classroom use. One tool many educators enjoy is Budburst Groups. This tool allows you to view your class data all in one place. You can add individual students to a group via email or COPPA-compliant anonymous accounts and monitor when they submit data. As the group manager, you will be able to edit data as needed if you review your students' work and happen to see mistakes. You and your students will be able to view, search, and filter class data all in one place and download it for further analysis. Wondering how to integrate Budburst into your own classroom? There are many different ways for students to engage with Budburst, from a short nature walk to a semester-long independent project. The Budburst team has designed resources and standards-aligned curricula and activities for students at various grade levels, from pre-K to college. Middle grade learners can watch pollinators visiting flowers and begin to look at plant flowering data using graphs. High school and college learners can connect their plant observations to climate change and conduct independent projects to investigate questions that are of interest to them. You can find resources on our website, budburst.org, by visiting the Activities for Educators page. There you will find a wealth of materials to incorporate into your classroom. Budburst has always been a platform for learning, and one of the best ways to learn is simply to try. So find a few noticeable plants on your school's campus, identify them as a class, and start making observations. We can't wait to see what you find.